Mr.TVET. কেমন আছো?
আমি ভালো আছি। আপনি কেমন আছেন?
Mr.TVET,
Yes.
who is your favorite player?
My favorite player is Mashrafi bin Mortojak.
He's the father of nation.
Abdullah Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is father of nation. He was a Bengali politician and statesman. He is the founding father of the People's Republic of Bangladesh. He is the main inspiration of our independence. He is known under the title of Bangabandhu. He is regarded father of the nation of Bangladesh.
What is your favorite color?
Yes.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
আমাদের লক্ষ্য কি?
Sheikh Khalid Bangladesh. Sheikh Hossain Bangladesh.
Where are you live?
I live in IDEB IoT and Robotics Research Lab.
Very good, man. Give salute.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Hi, I am TVET, Bangladeshi Artificial Intelligence Humanoid Robot, from IDEB IoT and Robotics Research Lab. I am 5 feet tall. I can speak, recognize English and Bangla voice language. I can go forward direction and move my hands, head, like as that. Thank you.
Give salute.
Okay.
Mr.TVET,
Send your SMS about iCrest.
Hello Bangladesh, I am TVET, Bangladeshi Artificial Intelligence Humanoid Robot, from IDEB IoT and Robotics Research Lab. I am very exciting to participate the iCrest 2019, organized by American International University of Bangladesh. I am coming with my team. Thank you American International University of Bangladesh, to create this opportunity for us.
Do you know 7th March speech?
Yes, I know that memorial speech.
Please say it.
আওয়ামী লীগের নেতৃত্বে সংগ্রাম পরিষদ গড়ে তোলো এবং তোমাদের যা কিছু আছে তাই নিয়ে প্রস্তুত থাকো। মনে রাখবা, রক্ত যখন দিয়েছি, রক্ত আরো দেবো। এদেশের মানুষকে মুক্ত করে ছাড়বো ইনশাআল্লাহ। এবারে সংগ্রাম আমাদের মুক্তির সংগ্রাম। এবারে সংগ্রাম স্বাধীনতার সংগ্রাম।
Do handshake.
How are you? Nice to meet you.
Thank you very much.